Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonk. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price and of Bonk formed in the down channel on the 2 hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared few hours ago with you. Now let's move to the live 2 hour time frame. And you can see that still it is moving at the resistance and trying to break out the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another channel that is broken out on the daily time frame chart. This is the down channel that we have broken out on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 and goes to 44. It has been recently working as a support zone here and now. After the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And if you take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very huge formation of a big symmetrical triangle as well that we have already broken out. And before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for pros, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 16th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this are the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonk. And first of all, let me to show you the 2 hour time frame chart. And here on the 2 hour time frame chart, you can see that the price on the Bonk has formed this down channel while moving to the downside. We have broken down this very significant support of $0.00003 as well. And now for the past several hours, it is trying to break it out and also trying to break out the resistance of this down channel as well. And if this time it will be rejected, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here at $0.00027. But in case of breaking out the resistance, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be at $0.00035. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line has already broken out this quite long-term down channel, by the way, that is coming from the month of November. From November to January 2025, it has been moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally several more rejections. The price and broke out the resistance that could not break out this resistance zone from 40 to 44.000044. That is a quite long-term resistance zone. Previously, it has been working as a support zone here for several days and resistance here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And even before that, it has been working as a resistance zone here, and resistance zone here as well. Therefore, in order to hit the target for the breakout from this channel, we need to break it out. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 6.2. And now if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. By the way, if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this upper trend line support. That can now work as a very, very strong support and long-term support for the price line. And it can also work as a bull run structure for Bonk. And the technical target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle is, by the way, as per this measurement, can be here. That will be approximately at $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.